But my God, I've never seen one as bad as this. We've stripped all the colour off here. This is on a Rolls Royce Interior. This section was rather hard, and it's actually had cardboard stuck over it, and it just literally peels off. It's just absolutely amazing. It's just literally peeling off. All of this is cardboard that's come off it. All of this here that's come off this section. It's just absolutely ridiculous. It just peels off. Look at it. I've never known a bodge job like this on such a beautiful car. It's just absolutely unbelievable. The whole thing just peels off. Look at it. It's all cardboard, just peeling off. Unbelievable. Well, the client's come to the right place, so we're going to obviously get this rectified for them and get it back to what is underneath, which is the leather, to find out what the problem is exactly, so that we can obviously get it corrected and back to normal again. But it's just literally huge chunks just peeling off. Absolutely unbelievable. I've never known anything quite like it. It's shocking. It really is. It's just I'm dumbstruck. Look at that. Look. Unbelievable. All cardboard stuck on this section here on this Rolls Royce Interior.